Hello, my friends. It's Miss Becky. I was going to do a science experiment for you. Please don't do this at home. And if you do this at home, do it under the supervision of a parent because there is fire involved. I'm going to create the world's smallest flamethrower for you, and I'm going to talk about why. And if you're actually watching this movie during the daytime and you're sitting in a dark room, I can tell you some interesting facts that you might notice. I'm going to go turn off the light. So you're not going to see me, but I'm going to light a candle. You can continue to watch the candle. It's not that dark. But, so I'm going to light the candle. Again, don't do this at home without an adult. What I'm going to do is create the world's smallest flamethrower. And yes, I'm doing it at my dining room table. Again, don't do this at home. But have you guys ever eaten an orange? I know most of you have. Of all the fruit that I've eaten, I have never found an insect inside of an orange. I found insects inside of apples and pears and peaches, but not inside oranges, lemons, and limes. And they all have something in common. I'm going to see if I can do this trick for you, and then I'll tell you what they have in common. Oops. I need a bigger piece. No, we could see it a little there. Did you guys see that? We'll try it again. Oops. I've got a lot of orange peel here. Did you see the flicker of the flame? That one's hard to squeeze. I'll try a couple more pieces and then I'll talk to you about what was happening. There we go. That one definitely worked. So what happened is citrus fruit has oil called citronella oil in the peel of the fruit. So limes, lemons, oranges have that in it. And what the citronella oil does is it creates a pesticide, basically, for insects. Because if the insects were to eat it, they would not survive. So they don't go near the orange. The orange actually wants bigger animals to eat the fruit so that they can pass the seeds on and the orange tree will grow. But so what happened when I squeezed the orange peel, I squirted, not juice, but citronella oil onto the flame, which created the world's smallest flamethrower because of the oil. You can't burn orange juice. The juice doesn't burn, but it's the oil on the outside. Now, if it was pitch dark in here and you were watching in a dark room and staring at the candle, there are other tricks, but I will tell you that in another episode of Science with Miss Becky. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.